Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel Be Beautiful with Kamini Rajput. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. And since summer season has started all around the world and doing makeup for summer is quite tricky. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do waterproof and long lasting makeup for this summer. And before starting this tutorial, let me introduce myself. I'm Kamini Rajput and I create makeup, hair and skincare related videos on my channel. If you're interested to watch such videos, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you get notification from my upcoming videos. And so friends, without further ado, let's start the video. Well hydrated skin will always look beautiful whether you do makeup or not. In summer, due to heat and sweat, skin loses its moisture. And to regain my moisture level, I am using here Pond's Super Light Gel Base Moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It's hydrating without making skin greasy due to its gel formula. For under eye dark circles and puffiness around my eyes, I am applying Requil Under Eye Cream. I am applying this cream with my ring finger and massaging it with my ring finger in circular motion with very light handed pressure. And guys, be gentle around your eyes. Your eye area skin is very delicate. And this cream is for all skin types, so any skin type can use this cream. Since this makeup is for daytime, applying sunscreen is must. Here I am applying Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. It is water resistant, perfect under makeup with infrared protection since it has SPF 50. So this sunscreen gives protection to the skin at the same time working as primer for our makeup. Now to hydrate my lips, I am applying Maybelline New York Lip Balm. To define my eyebrows, I am using Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in shade medium brown. First, I am brushing my hair with this pulley brush which is already attached with this pencil, and then drawing outline and giving eyebrow a perfect arch shape. Then filling empty space wherever is needed with hair-like stroke so that it looks natural. After filling my eyebrows, I am brushing again with spoolie brush to distribute all the products to avoid harshness. Now to correct any discoloration on the skin, I am applying this orange color corrector from LA Girl in shade orange. Applying it around my eye and corner of my lips and wherever it is required on my skin. Now without blending this orange corrector, I am applying concealer shade Honey from Maybelline New York on top of it, wherever I have applied corrector so that I get my desired concealer shade to conceal my skin's discoloration. Now with Euro Paris brush number 121, I am blending this concealer in the skin. Sometimes I like to blend concealer with my finger, so that warmth of a finger makes product easy to blend. Now with the same concealer shade called Honey, I will be highlighting all the highest area on my face. Applying this concealer above my eyebrows, bridge of the nose, chin, corner of the lips, below cheekbone, corner of my eyes and under the eye to give it lift. After applying highlighting shade, now it's time to apply contour shade. Contour shade should be 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone. So here I am applying shade number C13 from Makeup Revolution. I am applying its small dots on my cheekbone, side of my nose, on my jawline area and my hairline area. In summer, liquid blush is better than powder blush, so I am applying Lakme 925 lip and cheek color above the contour shade on cheekbone as my blush color. Now I am blending all the product with this wet beauty sponge. So always start blending from lighter shade. So first I'm blending highlighted shade, then I'll be blending contour shade. Always use damp beauty sponge to blend the concealer and blend it in dabbing motion so that product blends well in the skin. Now all the highlight shade and contour shade blends well in the skin. Now it's time to blend blush. For blush I'm blending with my fingers as warmth of finger makes it easy to blend. Today I'm skipping foundation because I do not want too many layers on my skin. As we sweat, chances of foundation budging is high, so I am keeping my base minimal. Now with this buffing brush from Real Technique, I am buffing my skin. This step gives skin a flawless finish like airbrush. Now to set my base, I am using here Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder and the shade name is Natural Buff. I am applying this compact with a wet beauty sponge. Applying compact with a wet beauty sponge will give your base matte finish, and this trick will make your base last longer. As you can see, this is the look after setting my base using this trick. I hope you find this trick useful. After setting with powder, it is time to set makeup with makeup fixer, and I am using here PAC Macro Finish Makeup Fixer. Using same wet sponge, I am settling all this product on skin. After completing my base makeup, it is time to do eye makeup, and for eye makeup I am using Nykaa Smoky at 8 eyeshadow palette. Now from this eyeshadow palette, I am using this beige eyeshadow color and I am applying it all over my eyelid and applying it with Pro Art eyeshadow brush 219E. Now taking this peach shade from this eyeshadow palette, I am applying it till my crease line all over my eyelid. The same eyeshadow brush I am using to pack this eyeshadow color all over my eyelid and giving it outer stroke, and the same eyeshadow color I am applying below my lower lash line to define it. Guys, blending is a key for a beautiful eye makeup. So here I am using a clean fluffy brush to blend all the edges. And the brush I am using here is Pro Art brush 230E. Now with the help of this small flat brush, I am applying this darkest brown shade close to my upper lash line as an eyeliner. And smudging this eyeshadow color with the same brush, and the brush I have used is Pro Art brush number 25. And the same brown shade I am applying below my lower lash line to give it more definition. I am applying it till the 2/3 part of my lower lash line and not taking it till inner corner. Now applying this peach eyeshadow below it so that it looks seamless. Now with the help of this small eyeshadow brush, I am applying this gold eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. Now the same eyeshadow I am applying on my brow bone as a highlighter. Now I am applying this yellow gold shade in the inner corner of my eyes to highlight it. Now again blending it with other colors. Quickly completing my other eye makeup, it is time to curl my eyelashes. Always curl eyelashes before applying mascara. It will immediately open up your eyes and make it look bigger. To define my upper lash line more, I am applying gel eyeliner on the upper waterline, and gel liner is from Maybelline New York, shade 01 black. Gently lifting my eyelid from above, applying this eyeliner with a small angle brush. While applying this eyeliner, my eyes got watery, so I am using this Q-tip to clean my inner corner. After applying eyeliner, it is time to apply mascara, and mascara I am using here is Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. This is a really good mascara because of its unique brush shape. It curls lashes really well, at the same time giving lashes volume, and it is waterproof too. And this is the final look after completing my both the eye makeup. Before applying lipstick, I am dabbing my lips with a tissue so that all the excess greasiness will be removed. Lip liner I am applying shade Copper Brown from Maybelline New York. Outlining my lips with this pencil and filling it and creating a base for my lipstick. Now lipstick I am applying from Color Bar and shade number is 98. This is a matte lipstick. Now to make my lipstick long lasting, I am dabbing my lips with a tissue paper and dusting it with some loose powder over it. This technique will mattify your lipstick at the same time making it long lasting. And this is the result. Now let's see whether it is transferring on the back of my hand, and as you can see it is not transferring. Now let's check on clean tissue paper, and no, it is not transferring on tissue paper also. So this technique works. Let me know in comment box how do you find this technique. Now the last step, to again secure makeup with some makeup fixing spray. I think I need to apply some blush on my cheek, so I am applying this blush from Color Bar shade Rosy Peach. Applying this blush with a Real Technique powder brush. And this is the complete waterproof and long lasting summer makeup look. I like how this look turned out. It looks very classy and elegant. What do you think guys? Let me know in comment box. And that is it guys, this is the final makeup look for today. I hope you like my today's video and find it informative. If you like it, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, write your comment in comment box, and most important, subscribe to my channel. And all the product details I have mentioned in description box, so do check it. And thank you for watching my today's video. See you till next video. Bye bye, be safe, be healthy.